In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to do basic image editing in WordPress. WordPress allows you to quickly resize images without using an image editing software, as well as other basic image editing like cropping, rotating, etc. To do this, in your dashboard, go to Media and click on Library. Now just click on the image you want to edit. And below the image, you have the option to edit it. Click on the Edit Image button. On the top right here, we have the Scale Image option. Here you have the original dimensions of the image, and here you can enter the dimension you want to scale the image to. Then, here on the left side, we have other editing tools like Crop and Rotate. You can rotate left, rotate right, flip the image vertically, or horizontally. And to crop the image, you can click here. You can also set an aspect ratio from here. If you want to keep a certain aspect ratio intact, then this option allows you to set it. So I'll just set the aspect ratio 1:1. Then click on Crop. Select the area you want to crop. Then click on Crop again. And the image is cropped. You can also undo the changes by clicking here. This is how you can do basic image editing in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.